Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League Sideswipe on Xbox. It is important to understand that Rocket League Sideswipe was specifically developed for mobile platforms, meaning it is not natively available on Xbox. This presentation will clarify why this is the case and guide you through the distinctions between the mobile game and the full Rocket League experience on consoles. We will cover key aspects of both versions. Rocket League Sideswipe's design is fundamentally mobile-first. Its gameplay is presented in a two-dimensional perspective, which is perfectly suited for touch controls and the smaller displays of smartphones and tablets. The controls are streamlined, offering a more casual and accessible experience compared to its console counterpart. This distinct design philosophy ensures optimal performance and enjoyment on handheld devices, making it a unique entry in the Rocket League universe. While Sideswipe is mobile exclusive, the original Rocket League offers the full, immersive experience on Xbox. This version features three-dimensional gameplay in expansive arenas, allowing for complex aerial maneuvers and strategic team play. You can engage in highly competitive online matches, participate in tournaments, and explore numerous game modes. It provides a robust and dynamic car soccer experience, complete with cross-platform play and extensive customization options. Currently, the developers have not made any announcements regarding an Xbox version of Rocket League Sideswipe. Their primary focus continues to be on refining and expanding the mobile gaming experience, introducing new seasons, items, and features for smartphone and tablet users. If there are any future plans for platform expansion, official channels will be the first to share this information. Always refer to official sources for the latest updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.